the broader overall approach to improving early childhood interventions also allowed schools to detect or recognize other kinds of disorders, disorders in communication, learning, personality, or sensory processing, for example. And even though these children may not have been autistic or on the autism spectrum, as they say, or maybe not even cognitively delayed, many were able to receive therapies and interventions and supports that gave them coping skills, that taught them language and communication strategies that relieved them of a childhood full of frustration that once they got into their teenage years would likely have overwhelmed them with feelings of anger and isolation that very easily could have pushed them into a life of criminal activity.